Big changes are about to take off in Pittsburgh. The brand new airport terminal is more than 90% complete, and by the end of this year, travelers could be checking in, clearing security, and boarding their flights in one of the most advanced and sustainable terminals in the country. From cutting-edge smart scanners to a tunnel designed to feel like driving into the city through the Fort Pitt Tunnel, this project is going to completely transform the way people experience air travel here. The new Pittsburgh International Airport terminal reached substantial completion in June of this year, which means the construction phase is essentially over and the focus is on testing and preparing operations. This includes making sure the systems are secure, baggage is flowing, and thousands of details are ready to go. In short, the building is done and the airport is almost ready for passengers. Welcome back to Living in Pittsburgh. I'm Krista Lorenzo, your local real estate expert and relocation guide. If you're new here, I share everything you need to know about life in Pittsburgh, from neighborhoods, schools, lifestyle, and yes, even major projects like the airport construction that directly impacts our community and real estate market. So let's talk about what's already complete. The consolidated terminal design is in place, combining check-in, security, and baggage under one roof. The smart scanners are installed, meaning faster and easier security checks, and baggage claim has 8 carousels, and that dramatic entry tunnel designed to mimic the Fort Pitt Tunnel is built and glowing with LED lighting. Outdoor terraces are finished, and a mix of new restaurants and retail are starting to move in, including local favorites and national names. Now, if you've flown recently, you know we're still using the tram to get between landside and airside. That will remain in place until the new terminal opens completely. Once the new building is in use, the tram won't be needed anymore because everything will be in one seamless space. So what's left to do? At this point, it's all about operation readiness. Testing, trial runs with volunteer passengers, and final safety approvals are underway. Crews are also putting finishing touches on the parking garage and prepping the concession spaces to open at full scale. The question of what happens to the old terminal and tram system is still undecided, but the new facility is ready to take over. The official opening is set for late in 2025, with most projections pointing to fall or early holiday season. So next time you're flying out, you could be one of the very first passengers to experience the brand new Pittsburgh International Airport terminal. So why does this matter for real estate and relocation? A modern international airport increases accessibility and attracts new businesses, which means more jobs and more people moving here. Communities closest to the airport like Moon and Findlay are already seeing higher demand. Robinson and parts of the South Hills are also positioned to benefit from the improved convenience. For anyone relocating to Pittsburgh, the new airport is proof that the city is investing in growth, infrastructure, and quality of life. We are almost there, and when those doors open later this year, it's going to be a huge moment for our region. If you're considering a move to Pittsburgh or want to know which communities will benefit most from these changes, reach out to me. And don't forget to subscribe to Living in Pittsburgh for more updates on the projects, neighborhoods, and real estate trends shaping our city. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.